Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Hey, we interrupt our normal programming for the fuel system mod to bring you this Metco idler. I want to show you what problem I had with this. So this is the idler that helps to wrap the supercharger pulley with the belt. And one mod that people do is they make these a little bit bigger. This is 100 millimeter. And what that does is it gets a little more wrap on this pulley, gets a little more rubber on it, and so it prevents slip. And I think I'm having a little bit of slip, about 4,000 RPM. So I wanted to just go ahead and do this. And so I ended up taking this off and putting this one on. When this comes to you, it comes just like this. It's got the bushings installed, and it's got a zip tie around it, so you know exactly how it goes together. And then the bolt there is in a separate bag. Now the bag for the bolt tells you to use blue thread lock, and to don't over tension the belt. If you need a longer belt, you'll need to get one. The pulley is just in this bag, and that's it. They've got some packing paper, no instructions on torque. So you guys already know me. I'm going to go to my book, and here is the idler, and that torque spec is 43 foot-pounds. At 40 foot-pounds, I put the blue thread locker on there. At 40 foot-pounds, all of a sudden the bolt got really loose, and I thought I stripped it. I knew I didn't strip the bolt because this is this is a tough bolt, but I thought maybe I stripped the mount for it on the engine, and so loosening it, this thing just basically fell off. So this is the part that acts like a washer. It's not supposed to do that, and the reason it did that, let me take out the bottom bushing. Here's the part that broke. You can see the light colored gray area there on the end. It looks like that because it actually tore away from this. It's normally all one piece. And this is the part, along with this, that acts like a washer against this bearing. And it failed. It failed at 40 foot-pounds. Couldn't even torque it down to the 43. If I was supposed to go less, nobody told me because there was no instructions in here telling me to do 35 or whatever. So, any rate, what would have happened is if this broke on the car, obviously the bolt goes right through, this would have come off the car at high speed into my radiator and bouncing around all underneath my hood, damaging who knows what. So I'm going to be giving WeaponX a call. They were the ones I bought it from, and see what they want Metco to do about it. This is a Metco 100 millimeter idler pulley, and I'm not very happy with it. So I'll put down in the comments what they actually ended up doing, so you guys, when you look at the video, you can see the result. But I'm going to go ahead and get this put up to YouTube tonight. In case there's anybody looking to buy one of these, you might want to think twice. Hey, thanks for coming back to the garage, everybody. Sorry to interrupt our normal programming. I do have other videos coming out on the fuel system mod, and we are going to be finishing that up. Right now, the car is done. It's running. It's tuned for the most part. I was just wanting to do that, but stick around for those videos, and I'm going to show you how to wire up those fuel pumps and the relays and some of the tricks that I do there. Thanks for coming back to the garage. Have a good day, everybody.